Do you recognize these? These are the different carrier reports for a population. How do you manage health when you have multiple and separate reports? It's not until you combine them that you get an accurate view of population health. With combined data, you can better identify risks, focus your outreach, and see the impact of programs. But how do you know if a population is getting healthier or worse? The problem is that even with all of our health records, there's no easy way to see the complete health of our companies and prevent problems before they happen. This all changes with the Wellness Decision Engine. Designed to solve the challenges of health management, the Wellness Decision Engine tracks the health of a population and gives you the power to make smart decisions to keep them healthy. The engine uses all of your population's medical, dental, pharmacy, and other health-related data. Immediately, you see how people are categorized into 3 main areas, but more importantly, who is getting worse. With one click, you can find out what problems are affecting each group. In one place, see important details, including their monthly health costs. But it doesn't stop at the problem. The Wellness Decision Engine gives you recommendations on wellness programs that will have the greatest impact on change. The engine has done the research for you, so you'll be able to understand each program easily and get others on board. Once initiatives are approved, search and select from a list of qualified vendors, do-it-yourself initiatives, or use your existing wellness partners to start immediately improving the health of your population, while the engine tracks your progress. The Wellness Decision Engine is the only system that gives you the insight to keep people healthy and the ability to measure your wellness success. Now, you can truly have the power to change lives.